Hey, it's your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit latoyadillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. So today we are in Harrisburg, North Carolina, touring the Charleston model by Eastwood Homes, which is located in the beautiful Harmony community just minutes from Concord and Charlotte. The Charleston is over 3,800 square feet and features 5 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, and is priced in the high 800,000s. You will love the main floor guest suite, the home office, and a formal dining room with tray ceilings for an extra touch of elegance. The kitchen is complete with a large island, walk-in pantry, and a butler's pantry flowing right into the family room. Outside, you will enjoy the covered porch and paver patio with a fire pit. Upstairs is the primary suite, which features 2 walk-in closets and a spa-like tile bath, plus a bonus room and Jack and Jill bath connecting 2 of the bedrooms. Now, let's talk incentives. Right now, the builder is offering a 5.49, you heard me right, 5.49 fixed rate conventional loan through their preferred lender, plus up to $5,000 towards your closing costs. But here's the catch though. There are only 3 homes left in this community, and Harmony is in a prime location right across from Hickory Ridge High School and just minutes from shops, restaurants, and Uptown Charlotte. So, if you're ready to make a move and tour this community or any other community in the area, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. So enjoy the rest of this tour, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below to let me know what you think about this Charleston model. And as always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.